Are you looking for a cheap and efficient way to get around Paris? I'm going to show you how you renew your Navigo Pass. You're going to take your Navigo Pass, you've already bought it, you've already got it. You're going to upload for the month, that's going to be under 90 euros, zones 1 through 5. Then you're going to, as you can see, there's a price. You're going to check out. Always get a receipt. You never know what can happen. I'm going to pay for this with cash because guess what? The machine would not accept my card. I have no idea what would happen. I even went to the attendant. It would not accept my card. Money is on there. So what's going on? So I had to go get some cash and pay for this. But this is what you do. This is how you are able to minimize your travel costs when getting around Paris. Remember, you've already got your Navigo Pass. You've already paid €5 for the Photomaton machine, and you've got the pass, and you can refill it daily, weekly, or monthly. And this is how you do it to travel in Paris.